Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Sea Slurp's Fresh Noodle Fridays. Today we're making one of my favorites and honestly what I think is one of the most underrated noodle soups of all time. I'm making Taiwanese beef noodle soup. So if you've never had it before, you've got huge pieces of beef in here, nice tender beef shank, chewy wheat noodles. You've got this super aromatic broth. It is super easy to make. We're gonna go ahead and make it in the Instant Pot, so let's go ahead and get started. If you guys like this recipe, don't forget to like, rate, and subscribe in the link down below. And don't forget to hit that notification bell just at the top right hand corner so you don't miss any new videos that are coming out. We'll see you guys next week. Bye!